Good evening students, hope you all are good. From today onwards we are starting our second semester. The first chapter for our second semester is heat. Right? We are starting with the chapter heat. Now what do you mean by heat? Heat is a form of energy that travels from a hot body to a cold body, right? So what is heat? Heat is a form of energy that travels from a hot body to a cold body, right? Some part of heat chapter we have done in our earlier class. So from today onwards we are continuing with the next part of the chapter, right? So today I am starting with the topic heat and its effects. What are the effects of heat, right? As you know that whenever heat is passed through a body, right, whenever heat is passed through a body, then there will be an increase in temperature of the body. The temperature of the body will rise up. Next, if we increase the temperature of the body, that means its shape will change. It may increase or it may decrease, means it will expand or it will contract. For example, if we have a water, right, if we have water in a container, we start heating that container. After some time the liquid will change into gas, means it starts expanding, right? So when the liquid starts absorbing the heat, it changes its state. That means its shape will change and it will expand. Now again, if we cool down the steam, mean condensation will take place, then there is a decrease in the shape of the body, means it starts contracting, right? Next is expansion in solids. How solids expand when heat passes through the solids, right? For example, as I told you, when we heat a solid substance, it starts changing into liquid, right? And further heating that liquid changed into gas, right? So expansion will take place when we heat a solid, right? For example, as you can see that there are so many things are present in our kitchen. You must have gone through some bottles that have a metal cap, right? So sometime it is not easy to open the cap of the metal. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna heat it up or you put that bottle under a hot water, right? So a metal cap is opened by heating the cap. Why by heating the cap? Because when the cap absorbs heat, it expands, then it is easy to open the cap, right? Next is a steel tire is fitted on the wheel of a railway carriage. You must have seen that, right? You must have seen the wheels of your cars or of your scooters or scooties, right? So a steel tire is fitted on the wheel. How a tire is fitted over the wheel? By the process of heating. Okay, you have to heat the steel tire, right? Steel tire, it expands, right? Then you put the wheel over it, then when it contract, it take a proper shape. Okay, so a steel tire is fitted on the wheel of a railway carriage while the tire is very hot. When the tire cools, it contracts and fits perfectly. Next is expansion in some cases. Here though we have done that expansion is very useful, it is having advantages. Now we'll do some examples where expansion is harmful, right? What happens if we put a hot water in a glass? If we put hot water in a glass, it cracks down or it ruptures. Why it ruptures? Right, when we put hot water inside the glass, its inner membrane become hot, ठीक है, अंदर साइड गर्म हो जाएगी, so it starts expanding. Its outer side is at normal temperature, right, but its inner side is at higher temperature than the outer layer, right? So what happened? It cracks, right? It wants to expand but it is not able to expand. Why? Because the outer membrane is not hot, right? So during this process it starts cracking, right? It ruptures. नेक्स्ट इज टेलीफोन वायर्स एक्सपैंड्स इन समर. आई यू नो दैट, ठीक है, विंटर्स में ये गिरती रहती है नीचे, ठीक है, लूज हो जाती हैं, बट समर्स में दे बिकम in summers they expand, in summers they become loose, ठीक है, एक्सपैंड हो जाती है. एंड इन विंटर्स दे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. वाई इन समर्स बिकम एक्सपैंड? बिकॉज समर्स दे हैव हाई टेम्परेचर. ठीक है, बाय अब्जॉर्बिंग द हीट द टेलीफोन वायर स्टार्ट्स एक्सपेंडिंग. बट इन विंटर द टेम्परेचर इज लो, सो दे स्टार्ट कंट्रैक्टिंग, right? And the telephone wires are formed of copper. Copper is a good metal, right? So that's why they are laid a little loose in summers and little tight in winters. If we make them tight in summers, by absorbing heat they will start breaking down. So we make the wires loose in summers and tight in winter. Next example is metal bridges and railway line. You must have seen between the railway line there is a gap between two tracks. Why? Because in summers the track will expand and in winters the tracks will contract, so that the accident won't happen. To prevent the accidents, so there is a gap between the bridges or railway tracks. Clear? Why? Because metals expand during summers. Clear? Next is expansion in liquid. As you know, liquids expands easily and they expand more than solids. They expand and they change into gas by the process by absorbing heat, right? Clear? So expansion in gases, as you know that gases expand rapidly more than solids and liquid. When we keep on heating the gases, they starts expanding, right? So expansion in gases is very very fast process. Next is change of state of matter. As you know that when you heat suppose you take a ice, ठीक है, you take a ice, you start heating the ice, it will change into liquid, right? That process is called melting, right? Further heating of liquid, it change into gas, that process is called boiling, it change into gas. If you cool down the gas, the process is called condensation, right? It change into liquid again. If we freeze the liquid, it will change into solid again, right? So this is the process of change of state of matter. And gas can directly change into solid or solid can change into gas. That process is called sublimation. When solid directly changes into gas, that is called sublimation. कपूर सुना है तुम लोगों ने, कैम्फर सुना है, दे सॉलिड होता है वो एकदम से गैस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. So that process is called sublimation. Next is chemical change in substance. Whenever a substance is absorb heat, whenever a substance undergo absorption of heat, a new product will form, right? Suppose we take a normal egg and we start it boiling, right? That normal egg change into a boiled egg, right? We take all the ingredients for the formation of cake, right? Clear? We bake the cake, it will change into new product, right? Burning of wood, well, when we burn the wood, it change into ash. So there is a chemical change in the substance that we have done in 6th class, chemical and physical change we have done in first semester too, right? So in chemical change, new product will form. Now what are the effects of heat on living beings? As you know that in our daily to daily life, we need heat to do number of things, right? For example, in the kitchen, right, without heating we are not able to to prepare anything. It may be a hot water, tea, ठीक है, we need heat for all these things. So burning of a substance in presence of oxygen is called combustion. Burning of substance in presence of oxygen is called combustion, and the substance that burns is called combustible substance or flammable substance, जो जलता है. Example, petrol, coal, diesel. And there are some substances that are not able to burn. We can't burn them. So they are called incombustible substance or inflammable substance. Example is glass, metal, rubber, etc. They are the examples of the incombustible substance. And we need heat. So we need heat, we need sunlight to do a daily to daily work. For example, clothes are not able to dry themselves, we need sunlight, right? So to do number of household chores, we need heat, right? To make our body temperature normal, we need sunlight. So they are very very useful, right? So I am finishing this part till now, this part right now, right? Hope you understand this topic, right? And if you have any doubt, we will discuss it in the Zoom class. Thank you.